Hey there, it's Ashley Krieger here with Createful Art, and I am at Craters of the Moon. As you can see behind me, there's a lot of lava rocks and some purple flowers called monkey flowers. I think they're really beautiful. I am in Idaho, and I am traveling and painting in all 50 US states. If you want to follow along and you love art and want to learn more about it, this is the perfect channel for you, and I hope you subscribe. I'm going to show you how to paint the galaxy here because it is one of the best places to look at the stars and to see the galaxy. So let's get started. For this first step, I'm going to show you how to set up. There is a list of all the supplies we use in the description. I'm going to take some tape and I'm going to tape my watercolor paper to a board, and I just make sure that this is even on all edges because we're going to be adding a lot of water to it. We don't want it to warp. I'm going to grab my big fat flat wide brush and I'm going to add water to my paper all the way down to the bottom so it's all full of water. I'm going to grab my round brush, add water to it, and grab my blue and purple, and I'm not going to worry about them mixing up because I'm just going to add this around this first layer. So this middle part is where my galaxy is, so I'm going to add purple around there. This is just the first layer, so don't worry about it being perfect. I'm going to add some of the purple over here. Just be loose with it. Now I'm going to add another layer, and I'm going to make it quite a dark layer. I'm just adding brown to my blue to make a darker blue because there's no black in my palette here. Don't worry about using my exact same colors. So you want to let this dry, and then you're going to add another layer in the next step. While you wait for that to dry, come see these little monkey flowers. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to be using this color in my galaxy because I think those are so pretty. So now we're going to add another layer, and this layer I'm going to leave it just a little bit more dry than the last layer because I want it to be really dark. And I'm going to add in another layer here that's darker. Right through here, I'm just going to take my white, smaller flat brush, and I'm going to smooth out the color a little bit so that it just makes it a little more smooth looking, just so it's not so blotchy. Okay, I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to do some splattering with my dark blue, and purple splatters in there, make it look interesting. There's this dark area right in here on the galaxy that I want to put in so that it looks like the Milky Way. So I'm just adding a little bit of yellowish orange right along these edges, and it looks really neat. So I'm just going to let this dry, and then in the next step we're going to add stars. Now it's time to grab your bristly brush or your toothbrush and dip it in your white acrylic paint. Make sure that your white acrylic paint is liquidy, not too sticky. Pull back and let go. Then take your small paintbrush and you're going to add some bigger ones, some bigger stars in this middle part right here. Make a big star right here. Just add an X Okay, this is my finished painting, so I'm going to take off the tape. I always take off the tape away from my painting. Just pull it away. Thanks for watching and subscribing, and I hope you enjoy making your really quick galaxy with watercolor. Bye! Thank you to my Createful Art members for making this video possible. If you like art and you want to learn more about it, this is a great channel for you to subscribe to.